Hi, I'm Lisa Squires, Senior Communications Advisor with Alberta Health Services, and this is Health Matters. Joining me today is Randy Youngman, and Randy is a traffic safety consultant with the Office of Traffic Safety. And today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, distracted driving. So welcome, Randy.
Thank you.
How big of an issue is this in Alberta, and what does the law restrict?
Well, studies have shown us that about 20 to 30% of all collisions are caused by distracted driving. And personally, I think it's a little bit worse than that. And the law restricts any handheld communication device, any electronic device, such as GPSs, that sort of thing, writing, reading a book, and even personal grooming while you're driving.
So what can people do to minimize these distractions?
Well, there's a lot of things that can be done. Number one is be prepared for your drive. You're going to plan your drive, have your devices already set. Don't be messing with your stereo and messing with your GPS while you're on the go. Have that already done. If you've got kids in the car, pull over if the kids need attending to. Don't try and attend to your children while you're driving, because the two just don't mix well at all.
And if I'm driving down the highway and I get a call or I need to make a call, can I just pull over and do that?
You would think so, but no. You've got to be in a legally parked position. So you can't just pull over off to the side of the road on a provincial highway. Those lanes are for emergency use only. So find a safe, legal spot, pull in there, and then make your phone call or your text.
But don't cell phones actually help keep our highways safer?
They do give you an absolute quick way to report a problem on the highway, to call for help, that sort of thing, but they're not meant to be used while you're driving. If you see a problem, such as a suspected impaired driver, and you want to call 911, pull over to a safe place and then call 911, because the thing is, it's not the actual holding of the cell phone that's causing the problem. You're going to be asked a series of questions in an emergency situation, and you want to be able to concentrate and answer those questions properly.
And what about hands-free devices? Are these safer?
Again, most of the studies have shown that they really aren't any safer. They're not against the law to use a hands-free device, so if you have Bluetooth in your vehicle, you're allowed to use it. But just be aware that it's, again, that mind connection with your conversation that is the problem. You're not concentrating on your driving, you're concentrating on your conversation. So if you're going to have a prolonged conversation, please pull over and have your conversation in a safe manner.
What's the difference, though, between talking to somebody on a hands-free device and talking to a passenger in your vehicle?
A huge difference. Talking on a hands-free device is the person on the other end of the device is at home or in another city maybe even, and they're not engaged in the same act of driving that you are. The passenger beside you, if it's slippery, they know it, they can tend to be quiet, they can even be a help. They can tell you to watch out for certain obstructions and that sort of thing.
And what are the penalties for distracted driving?
Distracted driving, as of January 1st, is now a $287 fine, as well as 3 points. And that's for simply just even holding a telephone. You don't have to actively be talking on it. Just holding your device can get you that 3 points and $287. And if you have a crash as a result of holding a device or being distracted, you can actually be charged with driving carelessly, which just about doubles everything.
And where can people go for more information?
You can just simply go to saferoads.com or call me at 403-458-1890.
Thanks, Randy. And thanks to all of you for watching. I'm Lisa Squires, and this is Health Matters.